Are you yearning for an adrenaline-fueled escape? Let's talk about why riding a motorcycle is the ultimate rush. Picture this. You're on the open road, the wind whips past you, and the roar of the engine pulses through your veins. No cages, no barriers, just you and the horizon. Every twist of the throttle sends a wave of euphoria through your body. It's not just a ride, it's an experience, a dance with danger and delight. The world blurs, and it's just you, your bike, and the road. Feeling every bump, every curve, you're more alive than ever. The thrill isn't just about speed, it's about the freedom, the connection to the road beneath you, and the sense of being untamed. Riding a motorcycle isn't just transportation, it's a passion, a way of life. And once you experience it, there's no turning back. So gear up and embrace the ride. The road is calling, and it's time to answer.